Take your assigned seat now and fasten your seatbelt. Arm doors and cross-check. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa PR530 patungong Maynila. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR530 bound for Manila. Our pilot in command is Captain Roy Relato with First Officer Kevin Connor. This is your flight purser, Elaine Torre Tarnate. Our estimated flying time is approximately 3 hours and 45 minutes, and we shall be cruising at an assigned altitude of 35,000 feet. We will now be showing you the safety features of these aircraft, the Airbus 321, in accordance with Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. Fasten your seatbelts, push ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull the ends to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelts and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety cards found in the seat pockets in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your window shades open, and tray tables stowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarette is not allowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
However, our fully back clearance has been rolled due to numerous departures here at the airport. We expect more delay as no time frame has been given by the company. And I will depart in the next 30